Welcome, good morning, good afternoon, Saribonani, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Welcome to this presentation brought to you with compliments from Kublal Foundation and the Maths and Science Center, 27 Linz Road, Durban. Our email, roshankubla17@gmail.com. We'd love to receive feedback from you on the DVDs and let us know whether they're helping you and if there are need for any changes or any corrections. Thank you. Our topic for today is trigonometry in all four quadrants, and we want to work out the signs of the ratios in the different quadrants. So here you have the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now we want to work out all six ratios and see which ratios are positive in each quadrant. I'm just going to do an example. If you take number one, if you take the first quadrant, sign will be y over r, which is equal to 4 over 5. Y over r, 4 over 5. And both are positive, therefore the final answer is positive. So, I would like you to go through each quadrant and fill this up like that. Write down the formula, fill in the values, and just write down the final answer whether it's positive or negative. Let me just do one more. Cos is x over r. Or let me do this whole thing, which will give me positive 3 over 5, which is also positive. So the final answer is positive. Tan is y over x. So y over x will give you 4 over 3. Both are positive. Therefore the final answer is positive. So we are interested in seeing the final. So what we can say now is sine is positive in the first quadrant. Cos is positive in the first quadrant. Tan is positive in the first quadrant. And then if you take cosec, cosec is r over y. So it will be 5 over 4, and both are positive, so it's still positive. And sec is r over x, which is positive 5 over positive 3. The final answer is still positive. And cot is x over y, which is equal to positive 3 over positive 4, which finally positive divided by positive is positive. So, now final answer. We want to know which ratios are positive in the first quadrant. Which ratios are positive in the first quadrant? So we go here and we have a look. We find all are positive. So we write the word all here. All are positive. If 2 are positive, you write the name of those two ratios. You will find that 2 will be positive, 2 will be positive, 2 will be positive. But you have to find them for yourself. Alright, if I do the second one, in the second quadrant, now I've got the formula. In the second quadrant, that's x, that's y. So in the second quadrant, I won't write the formula again. It's y over r, so it's 4 over 5. Both are positive, and that gives me a final answer, positive. So if I do the second one, I'll just do the second one. Cos will be x over r, which is negative 3 over the radius 5, which is positive. Now a positive divided by a negative gives you negative. So this result is negative. So what you'll do now is pause the DVD and complete the table like I've shown you, and then come back and compare your answer with ours. Alright, pause the DVD and complete the table.